Welcome back to the Primetime News. It's now time for news overseas.
A China policy giving Africa's biggest economies a tariff-free access to its market for the next 2 years came into effect Friday, while its economic rival, the United States, seek to impose new import taxes under President Donald Trump's push for protectionism. The China deal covers Africa's 20 largest economies, including South Africa, Egypt, Nigeria, Algeria, and Kenya. According to China, the country had already dropped tariffs on 33 poorer African countries, meaning 53 of the continent's 54 nations are now eligible for tariff-free treatment for their goods. The country not eligible is the small nation of Eswatini because it is the only one in Africa that maintains formal diplomatic ties with Taiwan. And officials says a boat carrying 33 Sudanese migrants capsized in the Mediterranean Sea near the eastern Libyan town of Tobruk, leaving at least 17 people dead and 9 others missing. Only 7 of the people on board survived the shipwreck. It was unclear when the boat capsized. The UN International Organization for Migrants said when the survivors were rescued, they had been stranded at sea for several days and that most of the migrants had died of hunger and thirst. The organization said the boat had taken off from Tobruk and was heading to Greece when it capsized about 100 kilometers northwest of the city. The agency said rescue operations were carried out by the Navy, the Libyan Coast Guard, and the Libyan Red Crescent. And that was a look at some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Cameron White.